What's up, everybody? Josh here, and I'm back. Sorry for the delay of posting some videos, obviously with the hurricane, and then I got sick. Still kind of getting over that. So, yeah, that's where I've been. Today, I'm going to head over to Trevesta in Palmetto, just off of Buffalo Road and 69th Street, if you're familiar with the area, and right off of 75. And I'm going to show you two of their townhomes that are ready to go. I know some of you have wanted to see townhomes, so I'm going to start incorporating those into the video. So let's go. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But if you're kicking back, watching this on your TV, click right or scan right here, this little QR code. That'll take you right to my Calendly link where you can schedule a Zoom call and have a 30-minute one-on-one call with me to discuss your real estate goals. All right, let's start today's tour. All right, so this is Buffalo Road, and to the right is Interstate 75. And we're gonna come down here. I'm gonna show you the townhomes in Trevesta. I've done a video before with the single-family homes, but I know some of you wanted to see townhomes, so I'm going to start incorporating some townhomes on the channel every now and then. So right here to the left, let's go in right here. As you'll see, this is a gated community. So obviously it's open right now because they're still doing construction. But yeah, let's go inside, take a look at these. I'm gonna show you two that actually back to Buffalo Road at 75, but there are some over here on the preserve side. And I will show you at least the neighborhood or the backyard of that. They're not completely ready to go for me to show you on the inside. So let's start today's tour. Right, this one is the Sabal floor plan. The end unit is the 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1860 square feet. Currently listed at $349,999. The HOA fee over here is $318.67 per month. There is a CDD fee of $1,938 per year. I'm gonna go back up. The reason I was in is because there's a little tree damage still from the hurricane. So I didn't want to, obviously start the video just like that. So let me pan around, show you a little what it looks like. There are some that are on the preserve over here that are available as well. They're just in the process of being completed and taped up and stuff. So these typically show a little bit better than the ones I'm going to show you today. So nice paver driveway. I like the blue garage door and the shutters. Let me know what you think about that. I like it that it's different. And then you have your side entrance over here. So these, as you can see the wall here, and you probably hear some traffic, back up to Buffalo Road, and then on the other side of that is Interstate 75. So it is a little bit louder over here, but like I said, there are preserve lots available too. So you come in the front door, you have your wood-like tile floor, and then let's just go over here. Normally I end up outside last, but being a townhome and it's right here, let's go ahead and do it. But as you see, you do have impact glass here. So everything fared well for the hurricane other than a couple trees. But you come out here, you have your screened in covered lanai. And then of course you have your door right there to go out to the backyard. All right, so you come in, and to the right over here is gonna be your living room area. Excuse me, I'm getting over a sickness too on top of the hurricane. That's why I haven't done a video in like 2 weeks. But your blinds are included as well. And then you have your gray cabinets here with the black hardware, your quartz countertops, single bowl undermount sink, stainless steel dishwasher. It is an electric community here, so you have your slide-in range and your stainless steel microwave. And then refrigerator is included as well. And then right here is gonna be your pantry. And then on the other side of the front door right here is gonna be your coat closet. All right, so right over here, You're gonna have a half bath down here. So you get your pedestal sink there. And then of course your toilet there. Some under stair storage right here. You can see it kind of wraps around a little bit and just keeps going. So nice amount of storage under the stairs here. And then of course, right out here is gonna be your 2-car garage. You do have the epoxy on the floor, which is nice. And then your water heater in the corner there. And of course with impact glass, no need for your hurricane shutters, which is fantastic. Like my house has impact glass and it was nice not to have to do anything. And you can still see out and have daylight instead of looking at shutters and it being dark. As you see, there's still a little bit of tape here for some touch-ups they're gonna do. All right, so you come up the top of the stairs and over to the right, you have a linen closet here. Obviously the door still needs to be painted. That's why you had the blue tape on it. And then bedroom number 1 right here. Nice sized bedroom. And then bedroom number 2. Of course, you're just your standard closet here. All right. First full bath, you got that wood-like tile in the floor. Same gray cabinets, same quartz countertops. You got your dual vanity there. Toilet, and then your tub and shower combo there. And then over here, you're gonna have your 2nd story laundry room. So nice sized laundry room. It is pre-plumbed for a laundry sink. Washer and dryer is included as well. And if you wanna get rid of those shelving, you have plenty of room to add some cabinets. And then there's kind of like a little loft area here. Let me know, what would you use this area right here for? And then right here is gonna be your air handler. And then your main suite is gonna be back here. So as you can see, you do have your nice view of 75 over there. So you can check the traffic in the morning, see when you need to leave, I guess. All right, nice size walk-in closet. And then right here, you're gonna have your linen closet. And then of course, your main bathroom, same finishes as before. And then your toilet over here, and then you have a walk-in shower here with the glass doors and the tile. All right, well that's gonna do it for this one. This is the Sabal floor plan, and I will see you at the next one. So this one is the Alexander floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, a 2.5 bath, 1-car garage, 1,588 square feet, currently listed at $299,999. Same HOA fee, same CDD fee, basically the same look because we are, 2 units down. So we did that end unit right there a minute ago, and now we're gonna do this one. So nice paver driveway. Got the blue garage door here. All right, let's go inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So you come in the front door, you have your tile floor here, and then your coat closet right here in the entryway. Come down the hall. You have your half bath here. All right. And then your 1-car garage is gonna be right here. So same epoxy floor, water heater, and of course just your single bay. All right, when you come in out of the garage, go to the right. You have a little area here underneath the stairs. Let me know, what would you use this for? Set up as like a desk area or something like that? Just let me know in the comments below. And then you have your kitchen here with the different color quartz countertops, a little bit lighter gray cabinets. I believe a little bit lighter gray. Definitely different color hardware. And then your stainless steel appliances. And then you have your pantry here. I definitely like this pantry better than the first one. Let me know, what do you think? All right, so you got your range there. Stainless steel microwave, dishwasher, and then your single bowl undermount sink. And then your living room area here. And then of course with this one, you have sliding glass doors instead of the door like the other one. Impact glass, nice and solid. And then you come out here and you have your screened in lanai. All right, let's go up the stairs. The carpet on the stairs and then carpet upstairs. So when you get up to the top of the stairs, if you venture kind of to the right over here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1 right here. And then bedroom number 2. Not bad size for only being, 1588 square feet. Then you have your linen closet here. And then your first bathroom here, you got those same tile floor, same cabinets and countertops, got the dual vanity. And then the tile around the tub and shower combo, which is a nice touch. Not sure if the camera's picking it up, but you can kind of hear the traffic here. It's probably because you got the vents. Obviously those are open to the outside, let a little bit of noise in. Down the hall is going to be your air handler. And then at the end of the hall down here, you're going to have your second story laundry room. Once again, plumbed for a laundry sink, washer and dryer included. And then your main suite over here. And then your walk-in closet right here. And then into your main bathroom. The dual vanity, walk-in shower there. And then what I like about this one is you actually have a door and a water closet versus the toilet just being out next to the shower in the first one. All right, so that's gonna do it for this. This is the Alexander floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I just want to walk over here and show you the preserve. I'm not going to go inside because they're not ready yet. As you can see, they're still doing lights and all that stuff. But this one here is the bigger one, the Sabal floor plan with the side entrance, the 2-car garage. It's the same price, $349.9, as the very first one in the video. So if it was me, I would buy this because you have the preserve right behind you. So there's your covered lanai there. Yes, you're looking at your neighbors, but you have the preserve back here, fenced area, and it's a lot quieter back here than backing up to the road. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Would you rather have the preserve lot or back into the road?